In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we started the chapter that is pragmatics. And pragmatics, I told you about politeness and its types. Today, I am going to teach you speech act and its types. What is speech act? What are the types of speech act? All these will be discussed in today's topic. Speech act is an utterance which is performed by the speaker with an action. In other words, speech acts refers to an action which is performed by a speaker with an utterance. So an action which is performed by a speaker with an utterance, that is called speech act. Whenever we are making the use of language, we are not only describing information, but we also perform actions. We perform actions with utterance, and such actions with utterance include inviting, promising, warning, requesting, asking, commanding, so on and so forth. Listeners and audience, for example, you don't know about something and you want to ask someone to get information. So definitely you will ask question. And you will say that, do they go to school, for example? So you are actually performing the act of asking. But if you say this in declarative form, you see, I will be there at 6 o'clock. So in this utterance, you are not only providing the information, but you perform the act of promising. Listeners and audience, whenever we are talking about the types of a speech act, there are two types of speech act: a direct speech act and indirect speech act. Direct speech act refers to the use of interrogative structure with such type of questions like are they, do they, can they. Such type of structure is called direct speech act. I am repeating, the use of interrogative structure to make such type of questions like can they, do they, are they, that is called direct speech act. For example, you want to ask someone different questions. You don't know about something and you want to get information. So then you say, can you ride a bicycle? Do they go to college? So on and so forth. On the other hand, when we are talking about indirect speech act refers to an utterance that is used to make request, and it can be an interrogative form and also in declarative form. For example, if you say, can you pass me the salt, it is direct speech act. But if you said it, can you pass me the salt please, it is indirect speech act. Here you are also asking question, but you are making request. Here the word is please. Another example is, for example, if you say that could you or would you like to participate at meeting by tomorrow? Here you are inviting or making request. And another speaker, the listener, answered, I have the class. So this is actually in the declarative form. The utterance is in the declarative form, and yes. And the answer is also what kind of speech act? Indirect speech act. When you say that, could you or would you like to participate at meeting by tomorrow? And he says in response that I have class. This is indirect speech act. But if he said no, I have class by tomorrow, then it is a direct speech act. So listeners and audience, hope that this topic is clear to you.